Welcome to Mr. Lacey's Phonics. What you're going to need is a piece of paper and something to write with. Remember, parents, feel free to pause this video at any point if your child needs any extra time. And our sound today is ng. 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 Have a go at saying that after me. Ng. Ng. One last time. Ng. Now we're going to hide our new sound in our pack of sounds that we already know. Ul. S. D. K. O. A. Ul. M. S. N. P. I. Ng. Let's try and find it one more time. K. K. G. A. E. B. F. F. Z. Z. Qu. Ch. Sh. Ng. Our sound today is ng. Let's have a look at some words with our new sound in it. Ng. Ng. Ring. Some people wear a ring. Have a go at writing ring on your piece of paper now. K-I-ng. K-I-ng. King. A person who may wear a crown could be a king. Have a go at writing king on your piece of paper now. L-o-ng. L-o-ng. Long. Two meters is a very long way. Have a go at writing long on your piece of paper now. S-o-ng. S-o-ng. Song. What is your favourite song? Have a go at writing song on your piece of paper now. W-I-ng. W-I-ng. Wing. Birds have two wings. Have a go at writing wing on your piece of paper now. Now we're going to have a look at some high frequency words. These are words that we read more often when we're reading. For. For. I'm looking for something. Have a go at writing for on your piece of paper now. G-et. G-et. Get. Have a go at writing get on your piece of paper now. My. 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 Have a go at writing my on your piece of paper now. Now we're going to have a look at some sentences with all our words in it. I get my wings. I get my wings. I get my wings. Have a go at writing I get my wings on your piece of paper now. And remember to include a full stop. It is a long song. It is a long song. It is a long song. Have a go at writing it is a long song on your piece of paper now. Remember to include a full stop. A ring for the king. A ring for the king. A ring for the king. Have a go at writing a ring for the king on your piece of paper now. Well done everyone, and I hope to see you here again soon for some more phonics.